it's Kayla. I'm just gonna do a simple look today where I push my hair back into a ponytail and do a braid across the front of my hair. This is really simple and easy to do. I do this look a lot going to work. I'm just gonna take out the braids that I put in my hair last night and get started. First things first, when I'm unraveling my braids, I always have some type of oil on my fingers. Right now I'm using an olive oil blend with jojoba oil, tea tree oil, and Jamaican black castor oil that I mix together. So after I've fluffed out my hair, I'm just going to take a small tooth comb and make a wide part. The wider this part, the better for me, because a lot of that hair in the front will be put into the twist and it won't be as much hair that I'll have to kind of slick back into the ponytail. Usually when I have the time or when I'm not lazy like I am right now, I take the small tooth comb and I part where I want my twist to be separate from the rest of my ponytail. But I kind of just separated the area with my fingers because usually it doesn't look that bad unless I'm going somewhere formal. So now I'm just going to take edge control and put it along that part and along the edges of that twist. Usually I use Eco Styler gel just because it holds better, but I am currently out of Eco Styler gel and edge control will work. After I put on the edge control, I'm just gonna grab two parts right next to that part I made, and I'm gonna do a regular flat twist. I'm gonna do it in the direction away from my forehead. And once I've twisted all the way down to where my scalp meets my skin, I'm going to take those two individual parts I've been twisting with and I'm going to twist them individually while I'm twisting the hair, as you guys can see right there. With the whipped shea butter, I'm just using it on the parts that I want to be more slicked down, like the side of my hair right next to the twist and the other parts of my hair that are connecting to that twist. Next, I'm just going to use a little bit more of that edge control and use it to really slick back that part right next to the twist, just so everything is smoothed back. Now I'm just using some water so I can smooth back that ponytail. Edge control on my hair works best when it's paired with water. Eco Styler, I can use it on my hair alone, but if I don't use water with the shea butter and the Eco Style gel, it is not going to be smooth. Next, I'm just taking a bobby pin and I'm going to secure that twist close to the back of my head. And then I'm going to take another bobby pin and kind of make an X with the bobby pin so that it can stay secured. When I'm done with that, I'm just going to take the end of that twist and secure it into that rubber band in my ponytail so it's seamless. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on anything that I should do, any hairstyles I should try in my hair, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to get to it. Thank you.